All right, y'all, welcome back. I'm gonna do a review on something I've been wanting a long time, and I finally got it for Christmas. Here it is, the Atlas 40-volt lithium brushless battery chainsaw. Here's the battery right here. I got that battery on sale for $64. Got the saw, was like $100. Got a 2-year warranty on it for like a 2-year warranty on it for $20, $24, $25 altogether for the battery, the saw, and the smaller charger. It was $260, $264. So that's pretty good. I haven't used it yet. Brand new, brand spanking new. It come with a sheath or a chain shield, whatever you want to call it. But so we're gonna cut down this tree right here. It's old maple. I don't know what, 5 inches, 6 inches around. And we're just gonna see what it does, and then we'll pile everything up in the back of the LS and use it for firewood outside or something. So let's get to it. We're going to be cutting, looks like, oh no, some kind of maple, maybe sweet gum. What kind of tree is this, y'all? I don't know. That's what, yes, maybe 8 inches. So we're gonna cut this bad boy down, pile it in the bucket of the LS, and see how good this Atlas chainsaw is. I've been waiting on forever for a warm day, y'all, to do this review on this chainsaw. I got safety glasses on, I got my boots on. We're safe. Alright. So I put oil in it already. Like I said, this is a 40. I do got an 80. So let's go see what happens. We want to cut it and get the camera right. Well, so far I like it. Tell you a couple reasons why I wanted one. You know, I got an Echo 18-inch and I got an Echo 14-inch, and this is a 16-inch. But for me, like at the hunt club or something, when you deer hunt season, you need something cleared out, or if you want to go camping anywhere and you need to cut up some wood, man, just bring out the electric saw, y'all. That's all you gotta do. So, reason, I mean, my stepdad has one. He's had it for about 2 years and he loves it. So, let's see if we can get this tree cut up a little bit. Alright, we'll put it right here. That way we can, I think it's some kind of, maybe poplar. So cut it up. Oh yeah. Sing it to me, baby. Y'all, it made quick work of this. I mean, you gotta look to see. This is probably the biggest one. I mean, that's, I don't know, what, 5 inches, y'all? Down here, I mean, you may be pushing 8 inches, 5, 8. It's just a number. But this is the Atlas from Harbor Freight. And so far, you know, I really like this thing. I mean, like I said, my stepdad has one, and I've used his in the past, you know, just around his house, and I really liked it. You know, that way you ain't gotta, you know, the main thing I bought this for, y'all, is just the quietness. No gas. You can do it at 12 o'clock at night. You want to build a fire, cook hot dogs at 12 o'clock at night, do it. You can do it, y'all. I mean, out here where I live, you can do it. You can do that still, you know, but it's just so much easier to not hear the noise. I mean, it's just, you carry this in your truck. Don't tell you how many times I mean, out here in the boondocks, when you're going down the road and there's a tree over the road, you know, and a lot of times the tree's big enough you could cut with a battery, a power chainsaw, you know. But guess what? You have to turn around and go the other way. I can keep this bad boy in my vehicle when a storm comes through, and we can get it done. We can get it done. So I'm gonna cut some more of this stuff up right here, and we're gonna pile this right here in the LS. And let's go ahead and get this bad boy crunk up. Pile everything right here. Here. I cut some more of this up right here. That's the Atlas, y'all, from Harbor Freight. $264, and that's with a 2-year warranty on the saw. Anything happens, I bring that bad boy back. That woman at the desk said she'll swap it out, and I can go on about my day. cut the stump. That's it. I'm gonna get the old LS, and if we wanted to, we can dig it up with a backhoe. So, but that is it, y'all, on the Atlas. Like I said, my first thoughts, man, I love it. I'm just so happy to have one. I absolutely love it. I mean, put a better chain on it if you wanted to, but I mean, I love the chain that's on it. It came with it. It came with bar oil, came with the bar. But if you're looking for a battery power cell, I looked at DeWalt's, Milwaukee, Makita, Cobalt, Craftsman. I've looked at all of them, but I mean, I just could not stay away from the Atlas. Like, I could not. I look, oh, I like this, but then go back to Atlas. Like, it's, you just ain't gonna beat it, y'all. Y'all just are not gonna beat it. Just not gonna beat it. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it all for this video. I just mainly wanted to test out my new toy, and just show other people who's in the market for battery powered chainsaw. Don't be scared to get this Atlas right here, because I promise you, I love mine. 3 bars remaining out of 4. First time I ever used it. First time I ever used that battery and done all this, and plus I cut up some more over there, but some limbs, and that's pretty good, y'all. That is pretty good. Thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure I hit that subscribe button. Got any comments, let me know. If you ever use one of these, and if you like it, y'all have a good day.